A bank not supported error in the Cleo app usually means Cleo can't complete a secure connection with your financial institution. Not that there's something wrong with your bank account. By the end, you'll know how to check whether your bank is compatible, reconnect your account correctly, and what to do if the error keeps appearing. The first thing to verify is whether your bank is supported by Cleo. Cleo connects to financial institutions through a secure account linking service, and not every regional bank, local credit union, or online-only financial institution is available. If your bank isn't supported, repeated connection attempts won't fix the issue. If your bank has worked with Cleo before, close the app completely and reopen it before trying again. Temporary connection issues between Cleo and its banking integration service can sometimes trigger this error even when your account is fine. Next, confirm you're using the correct online banking credentials. Enter the same username and password you use on your bank's official website or mobile app. If you recently changed your password, make sure you're using the updated one during the connection process. Now, check your bank account directly. Sign into your bank through its own app or website. If you're asked to verify your identity, approve a login request, complete two-factor authentication, or respond to a security alert, finish those steps first. Many banks temporarily block third-party connections until security verification has been completed. If your bank account was previously linked to Cleo, remove the existing connection if the app allows it, then reconnect the account from the beginning. A fresh authorization often resolves expired or broken connections. You should also update the Cleo app to the latest version from your device's app store. Updates frequently include compatibility improvements and fixes for bank connection issues. If your phone has a pending operating system update, install that as well before testing again. Your internet connection can also affect the linking process. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try reconnecting. A more stable connection helps prevent the secure authorization process from timing out before it's complete. If none of these steps solve the problem, contact Cleo support and ask whether your bank is currently supported or whether there's an ongoing issue affecting account connections. If your bank recently updated its online banking system or security policies, Cleo may need to update its integration. To summarize, verify your bank is supported, use the correct banking credentials, complete any security verification with your bank, update the app, and reconnect the account from scratch. Those steps fix most bank connection errors in Cleo. If this guide helped you fix the bank not supported error, like the video and subscribe for more Cleo troubleshooting guides and financial app tips.